In this video, I will show you how to see all Facebook keyboard shortcuts on laptop PC. Open up Facebook. Push on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Come down, push on Display and Accessibility. Press Keyboard. Then, see all keyboard shortcuts. Here is the list of all keyboard shortcuts you can use while using Facebook on laptop PC. Scroll down. Here is more shortcuts you can use. Come over to the lower right. Push on this. This window will show you the most used keyboard shortcuts you use. It will change as you favor different shortcuts. And that's how you do it, guys. How to see all Facebook keyboard shortcuts on laptop PC.